Hi guys, happy first day of fall. You guys are gonna be seeing this on September 22nd. This is the best time of the month. I love fall. In case you couldn't tell, I did this fall puzzle before the first day of school and that was over a month ago. So fall is my favorite season. Christmas coming at a very close second. So you know what that means. We've got the sweaters out. This is a vintage sweater that I got in California. And then this skirt is from Urban Outfitters. We are gonna go fall decor shopping today because my house right now has zero fall, literally nothing. But we're gonna change that. Let's go shopping, baby. Here's what I'm thinking for where I should get my decor from. Typically, I always go to Hobby Lobby. I swear, Hobby Lobby has like the best stuff. So does HomeGoods and Michael's. So I think I'm gonna go to all three places today. Right now it's 2:59, so got a while. I just made the most amazing sandwich. So I'm all fueled up, ready to go. Air Force Ones for the win. I'm gonna go fall shopping right now.
You got a package.
What is it? Alrighty, first stop, Michael's. You know what? I would give Michael's all of my money because they literally always have the cutest stuff. They never let me down. See, I think stuff like this is cool, but I'm just not like a scary, like skeleton Halloween decor person. I just love the simple fall stuff. So cute. Michael's, you definitely exceeded my expectations. Like, what the heck? It's only right that I get a doormat. This was $19.35. Doormat. Pumpkin fall sign with the letter C on it, and this little box that says Fall Market. What a sweet deal. Run to Michael's. All right, let's go to Hobby Lobby. Okay, so this Thanksgiving, I'm hosting it at my house. That means I'm gonna have to get a lot of stuff for Thanksgiving. I just found these placemats. I feel like this could be cute, but I'm deciding between this orange and then this cream color. Or maybe this green one, because I could use it both for Christmas. 8 placemats. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. Just finished at Hobby Lobby. That was a success. This one was a little bit pricier, but I did get more things. I'm just sauce acting stupid. At the motherland. I'm on my dog Debbie Grove and just finished shopping at HomeGoods and I think I'm gonna head back home. I'm so hungry and I think I'm gonna make salmon, rice, and maybe a salad tonight. But yeah, I don't know, all of a sudden I just got so tired. So I think I'm also gonna try to go to the library on campus. I'll drive there because I've got a lot of studying to do. College is a lot of work, you guys. I thought high school was so easy. Like I said in Hobby Lobby, I'm hosting Thanksgiving this year at my house, which means that my parents are flying up from Texas and Catherine's coming in from Colorado Springs. That is gonna be a whole process in itself. Oh, also my godparents are joining me because they live here in Idaho as well. So we're gonna have 6 people in total. Drew is coming up, but he's leaving like the day before Thanksgiving so that he can spend it with his family. Tomorrow I'm so excited because I'm going with my girlfriends to Bogus Basin, which is the ski mountain. Even though there's no snow there, I found online that they're having this concert thing. So we're gonna go there, listen to classical music, and have a cute picnic. So I got some macaroons for that. But I'm gonna focus on driving. I'll show you guys what I got when I get home. You guys, I just got this piece of mail and look who it's from. Drew is going to check at Colorado State University, like the mail room, to see if my letter came because today is actually our 5-month anniversary. We wrote each other letters and we're gonna open them on FaceTime. Oh, so cute. Oh my gosh, this is so long. Oh.
What? Caroline, why are you crying?
This is so sweet.
You like?
Oh, thank you. This is so sad.
What?
Because I want to give you a hug. Wait, I think I need my tripod for this.
So that's a cute skirt.
Guys, I'm on FaceTime with Drew. He's also getting a haul while I'm showing you. So, like I said, I went to 3 places. I went to Hobby Lobby, Michael's, and HomeGoods. So I went to Michael's first, got that doormat, and then I got this little
To match the doormat.
fall market box, and then this wood pumpkin sign with the letter C for my name, Hobby Lobby. So at Michael's, I spent $19 for the doormat and those things.
Was it like on sale or like?
Yeah, at Hobby Lobby, I spent $77. Pretty good for all the stuff I got. I got this cute apron. Look at this. I'm about to be making my banana bread in this. Oh my gosh, I'm like obsessed with this. Then I got 8 placemats because I'm doing Thanksgiving at my house, and also like a seasonal thing. I'm gonna build up my seasonal placemats because right now I have like a very spring summer placemat. So I got 8 of these. This is what they look like. Everything that I got was 50% off. So each of these placemats is $7.99. So it was half off for every fall item. So I got 8 of these because I've got 8 seats at my table. And then I got these assorted pumpkins. They had orange ones, but I feel like this orange and blue are kind of like the theme that I want to like mix. Then I got this little glass truck. Looks like this. And I was thinking maybe I could put one of the pumpkins in here and do a little cute table decor for my coffee table, or that little side table right there. But yeah, I've always wanted one of these and I've seen them at like Target and Hobby Lobby, so I got it, and this was $5. The last thing I got from Hobby Lobby is this little garland, which I'm not sure, maybe I'll hang it on the fireplace, but it looks like this. And there's 3 colors. There's like a cream, a burnt orange, and then this green gray color. No, it's gray. Last place I went was HomeGoods, and I got a lot of good things. It's kind of heavy. It's the heaviest bag out of all of them. Tomorrow I'm going to Bogus Basin with my friends and we're having a picnic there. So I got these pumpkin macaroons. So excited to have these. They're limited edition. And then I got matcha. Everything is like discounted at HomeGoods. Then I got, what is this? Coconut oil, because this was also there. And coconut oil is like $40, $50 at the grocery store. So I got this for $8.99. Oh, the last thing I got is this huge fall candle from Sand & Fog, and Sand & Fog is the best brand that they sell at HomeGoods. This is what it looks like. And this is in the flavor, or the scent, Autumn Harvest. And look at how many wicks there are. I also forgot to show y'all this, but I went to Target yesterday and I got 3 different fall pieces. So first I got this turtleneck sweater that was $35. Then I got this button up, super cute for pajamas. That's what I had in mind when I got it. And then this cardigan cable knit design in this pretty brown color. And then I got these fall treat bags so that whenever I make cookies or banana bread, I can put it in here. And then I got this fall leaf sprinkle packet. Oh yeah, and then I also got these cupcake liners, and some of them are fall themed. That is my fall haul. I'm gonna close off the video here. If you guys liked today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't, don't do anything. I love you all so much. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in my next video. Ciao.